Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to walk through the safest, most reliable way to delete a project, now called a space, in the latest version of Jira. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace, remove out-of-date information, or simply stay organized, this guide will give you absolute confidence that you're deleting spaces the right way and know exactly where to restore or permanently erase them if needed. Let's jump in and get started. First things first, it's good to know that Jira has recently changed its terminology. What used to be called projects are now referred to as spaces. So if you're used to the old Jira interface, don't worry, things are just in a slightly new spot and I'll walk you through it. To begin, look over at the left side of your Jira dashboard. You'll see a section there labeled Spaces. This is your new hub for all active projects. Well, Spaces, so anytime you want to manage or clean up your work, this is where you'll head. Go ahead and click on Spaces. Here you'll get a full list of everything you've got set up, which is really helpful for keeping track and deciding what needs to go. Now scan through your list and find the specific space you want to delete. Maybe it's a test run you don't need anymore, or perhaps a completed project that's simply collecting dust. When you hover over that space, you'll see three little dots. This is Jira's way of saying more options without cluttering up the screen. Click those three dots, a menu pops up and you'll see an option labeled Delete Space. Go ahead and select that. At this point, Jira is going to ask you to confirm the deletion. This is a safety net, just in case you accidentally click the wrong space or have second thoughts. The confirmation window is there to prevent any unwanted mistakes and gives you a moment to double check. Take a breath, make sure you really want to delete the space, and if you're sure, proceed by confirming. Once the space is deleted, you'd be forgiven for thinking that's the end of it. But Jira actually moves it to a special area, kind of like how your computer's recycle bin or trash works. This is really handy because if you deleted something by accident or need to recover information later, all hope isn't lost. Next, go back to your Spaces section again and click those three dots next to the space you just dealt with. This time, choose Manage Space. Within that menu, there's an option called Trash. Click on it. This is where you'll find all spaces you've deleted but not yet permanently erased. It's organized so you can easily see what's sitting in limbo, waiting for either restoration or permanent deletion. Look over to the far right of your deleted spaces row, and you'll spot another set of three dots. Click these, and now you have two powerful choices: delete forever or restore. If you're absolutely positive you never need this space again, go ahead and choose delete forever. Just be aware there's no going back from here. But if you realize you've made a mistake, hit restore instead, and your space will come right back as if nothing happened. And that's it, your Jira environment is cleaner and more manageable, and you've got full control over what's gone for good and what's just in the trash. If this guide helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I love hearing from you, so drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below, especially if you hit any snags or want advice about organizing your Jira spaces even further. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.